Hi guys, here I am opening my Premier League TOTS packs, and hopefully I will be able to pack a Premier League TOTS. Walkout from a 15k pack is very nice. Cheeky little inform.
It's the first time of today. To dream, believe. You are the strength, you're all I need. Oh, gonna give it a shot. Only one of me to shield you all from the enemy. You're a superhero.
I am building up the fodder for the next icon pack. Second walkout of the pack opening. Noise Royce as well.
Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything.
I swear I packed this guy so many times when his TOTS is not in packs.
So bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright.
No, what the hell? How have I packed an icon in a goddamn mega pack? How? What the hell?
Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other.
Cheeky fodder.
Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
To be honest, that isn't a bad pack. Poopy. Yes. Another Norwich player to add to the list. Another cheeky walkout.
Attention, devils hide behind redemption. Honesty is a one-way gate to hell. I want you to
No tots but still a pretty decent pack.
Be carefree lately, yeah. Just picking up daisies. Got 1, 2,
What a pack, 3 tots and one of them a Prem tots in my 83 times 25 pack. I got Elder and that Bolton CB again. Thanks for watching and subscribe, it's free and it helps me out a ton.